In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter promo code on Walmart app or website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the promo code field, how to apply your code correctly, and what to check if it doesn't work the first time. Start by opening the Walmart app on your phone or tablet. Make sure your app is updated so the checkout screens look current and you have the latest features. A strong internet connection will also help everything load smoothly. Next, log into your Walmart account. Being signed in ensures your saved addresses and payment methods are available, and it helps the app calculate accurate delivery or pickup options for your location. If you need to reset your password, do that first so checkout stays seamless. Once you're in, browse or scroll to find the item you want. Take a moment to check that your item is eligible for promotions. Some brands or third-party sellers may be excluded. If your promo requires a minimum spend, keep an eye on your cart total as you shop. Tap. Add to cart. If your item comes in different sizes, colors, or quantities, choose those options before adding it. Then open your cart by tapping the cart icon. This is a great time to review quantities, remove anything you don't need, and confirm shipping or pickup availability. Make sure the subtotal meets any promo requirements. Tap. Continue to checkout. You'll see your delivery or pickup options and your address details. Choose what works best for you. Now scroll down to find the section that says Have a promo code. It may appear near the order summary or payment section. Tap that prompt to open the promo code field, then carefully enter your code. If you're pasting, double check for extra spaces at the beginning or end, and match any uppercase or lowercase letters exactly. Most codes are single use and can't be combined with other offers. Tap Apply. Watch for a confirmation message and, more importantly, an instant update to your order total. You should see the discount reflected in the subtotal or a separate line that shows the amount saved. If you get an error, review the message. Common reasons include an expired code, items that aren't eligible, a minimum purchase not met, or a code that's restricted to certain accounts or delivery methods. Adjust your cart or try a different valid code and apply again. When everything looks right, including your delivery or pickup details, payment method, taxes, fees, and the discounted total, tap Place, Order to finish. That's it. The process is similar on the Walmart website. Add your items, head to checkout, look for the promo code field, apply, and verify the savings before placing your order.